Alright, hello YouTube. This is the 42-inch design house carousel. Got that cleared up from Dan. I thought it was a Manhattan when I first saw it. I also put a schoolhouse globe on it, and I got the socket from the SMC Laguna, and I flipped the blades to cane. I also added a downrod because it boosts the CFMs when you have it on a downrod. If you have it flush mounted, it usually kills your CFM rating, meaning you get a lot less airflow. I also added one of the Hampton Bay pendants because it looks, in shape, it looks about the same as the design house ones, but the design house are solid metal and the Hampton Bay is just plastic. So I got the Westinghouse globe. I got it Goodwill for like $1 or so. Anyways, let's turn it on. The light itself is an LED, so toward the bottom, it's such a big LED that it comes down kind of low. It's also 100 watt. Let's turn that off. I actually got the LED from the garage door opener light. That didn't turn it. What the heck? That's strange. I don't know why that's not turning on. Oh, there we go. I don't know why the heck this thing isn't turning on. That's really weird. I don't know what the heck is going on. Oh, that was the fried socket. Anyways, back to the design house. Oh, I also have a piece of red wire in the ball, and it's enlarged in that little hole so it doesn't twist around, because it actually did start twisting around when I had it. Very nice. I love the cane blades on it. That's like the main reason I bought it. I paid $15 for this particular fan. Deltas are over there, and there's the Hampton Bay that used to be here. Medium. I just noticed this bulb right here. Looks like it's pretty close to going out. Should have bought a bulb when I was at Habitat yesterday. There's medium. And this thing flies on high. For being a spinner motor fan, it puts out a good amount of air. And for being a what is it? I can't think of the name right now. Builder fan, that's it. Yeah, I got all the blades and stuff right here. Still, I'm leaving a clip on that one. I still need to get a what do you call it? A kit for it. It's a little better, I guess. And maybe I'm trying to think if I'm in front of the light. There we go. Screen's all dusty for some reason. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go turn these lights on. There we go. I don't think that helped at all. Maybe a little bit. You know what? Wait. Half this video is trying to figure out lighting. That help? Maybe a little bit. Not great. great with this angle here. It's kind of confined space. Alright, there we go. Perfect. Rather long spin down time. Just gonna stop. Yep. I don't think I ran this on reverse yet. It looked like it was really struggling there. Yeah, for a builder fan, this is rather a nice fan. Glad Dan convinced me into getting it. I'm also glad I put the downrod on it. I like how the light kit goes with it. Almost reminds me of a CEC for some reason. Just for the sake of the video, I'm not gonna do spin down time on reverse. Alright, that's the design house carousel. Thanks for watching.